Why do so many health enthusiasts swear by olives? Let's find out. Green and black olives aren't just tasty, they're packed with health benefits. Green olives boast monounsaturated fats that can lower bad cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. Their polyphenols fight inflammation, and antioxidants like vitamin E protect against chronic diseases. Plus, they're great for digestion, bone health, and even your skin. Now, what about black olives? They've got similar perks: heart-healthy fats, anti-inflammatory properties, and plenty of fiber. Black olives also support your bones, skin, and immune system, and they're a surprising source of iron. So, whether you're team green or team black, adding olives to your diet could be a game changer for your health. Remember, moderation is key, especially with the sodium content. Stay healthy, stay happy.